A problem often encountered in older buildings: rising damp. As the graphic here shows, a horizontal barrier is missing in the masonry. The rising damp is absorbed like a sponge and is pulled up the wall. Among other contaminants, harmful salts are carried along and become visible on the surface of the wall. The damage becomes visible in the areas of the wall where the moisture evaporates. The salts crystallize on the surface and destroy plaster and masonry. The consequences are spalling, destruction of the mortar joints, reduced thermal insulation, and damage to the building structure. Before repairing damaged masonry, a careful survey and analysis must be conducted by a specialist. The repair begins with the installation of the horizontal barrier with KÖSTER Crisin 76. The process can also be used in moisture levels of up to 95% and independent of the salt content. Due to its low density, KÖSTER Crisin 76 penetrates into even the smallest pores and displaces water from the capillaries. First, the old, salt-damaged plaster is removed in the area where the new horizontal barrier is to be installed, and loose material is removed from the masonry. This way, the joint in which the holes are to be drilled can be identified. The horizontal barrier is then installed. KÖSTER Crisin 76 has been tested according to the WTA standard up to a moisture content of 95%. The KÖSTER suction angle system is used for installation. First, the distance between the drill holes is marked. With a wall thickness of 50 centimeters, the distance is 10 centimeters. Consumption for various wall thicknesses is given in the technical datasheet. Usually, holes with a diameter of 14 millimeters are drilled horizontally in the lowest joint. The horizontal barrier must always be placed in such a way that no groundwater, splash water, or other moisture can ingress above it. Holes are drilled to a depth of the wall thickness minus 5 centimeters. The drill holes are cleaned with pressurized air. Then the capillary rods are measured. Their length is the depth of the drill holes plus 7 centimeters. The capillary rods are inserted into the wall using the installation tool for capillary rods. The capillary rods must protrude 7 centimeters from the wall to reach the bottom of the reservoir of the suction angle. Then the suction angles are installed. The nozzles are attached to the cartridges, which are clipped into the suction angle. The cartridges are empty after an average of 24 to 48 hours. The cartridges and suction angle are removed in reverse order. The capillary rods are cut flush with the surface and remain in the wall. Finally, the drill holes can be sealed flush with the surface using KÖSTER KB Fix 5.